Well, I knew this week was going to be busy. I'm not sure what I got going on right now. One of my swarm boxes is covered with bees. And then if you go over here, I got another swarm happening up there in the tree. Can you see that? Dang it. I don't know if that's the same swarm or two swarms. And then over here, I got this going on. So I don't know if the swarm came out of that box or... Lord, I got to get some equipment. I'll be back. That was a pretty good shot.
That was a great shot.
Do what?
That was a great shot right in the box. That's a lot of bees.
We got some bees in a box. And just 2 or 3 in the air. And a few on me. They seem pretty docile though. Well, here's swarm number 3 today. The bees are starting to walk into the box. I had to double up on the little nuke. One box wasn't big enough. If all these came out of one of my hives, that hive's not going to be much count for making honey. There ain't nothing left. But I don't know yet. There's still bees flying everywhere. We shall see.